Welcome to Immersive Classics. You're about to hear Fall Leaves Fall, written by Emily Bronte and narrated by Susie Pasqualetto. The rights to use this story and all media in this presentation have been cleared. For more details, please see the description and enjoy. Fall leaves fall. Die, flowers, away. Lengthen night and shorten day. Every leaf speaks bliss to me. Fluttering from the autumn tree, I shall smile when wreaths of snow blossom where the rose should grow. And I shall sing when night's decay ushers in a drearier day.